storm chasing. Oh,
Guys,
come on! Why is it nighttime?
guys, I detected a tornado in my radar. Let's go, bro. Oops. Let's go. Oh, we crashed. Let's go.
I don't know.
I heard a radar. My radar just ringed.
I think it's a ef0 or ef2.
It might be. Let's go wait here. Let's go just wait in the lake. Oh,
I wanna get the dominator.
I'm just gonna wait here in the lake.
I'm gonna get the dominator.
And my car almost broke. I mean, fell.
You stand?
Yeah. I'm swimming. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna wait. It's so cold. Oh, yeah, it is cold. Oh my god.
I'm freezing. I'm not.
What's happening? Oh my god, you're doing that. I think the tornado's gonna pop out the top. Yeah. What am I saying? They do. Oh, there you are. Let's see.
Let's get the dominator.
Whoa, ef4! I cannot see it at all. Let's go just run. Let's go find it.
I feel like it's following me.
If you see, oh, we found the cars. We found the cars, the dominators. This one, the tow trucks.
Soldier, yeah.
I'm checking it. This is the Dominator 700. This one is Dominator. Oh, hey, No, no, good.